Hello, my name is Miss Little, and I am here to start our lesson on polynomials. But first, I must ask the question. Does anybody know what polynomials are? No? Okay. Well, polynomials are expressions of more than two algebraic terms, especially the sum of several terms that contain different powers of the same variables. Now, if you're still a little confused about what polynomials are, I will show you a digital story to exemplify the meaning of polynomials.
Adding polynomials is just a matter of combining like terms with some order of operations considerations thrown in. As long as you're careful with the minus signs and don't confuse addition and multiplication, you should do fine. There are two ways that adding polynomials can be solved, horizontally and vertically. As you can see, the original equation is displayed from left to right. First, you should recognize the like terms to figure out what to add together. I decided to put the like terms together in the next line, which are 2x and 3x and 5y and negative 2y. Once the like terms are put together, you will add the coefficients and bring down the variables, and then you will have your answer. When adding polynomials vertically, you will place each of the like terms in a column with one another. Notice that everything in each column has the same variable. So like regular vertical addition, you will just add the numbers together. Therefore, 2x plus 3x will give you 5x, and 5y added to negative 2y gives you 3y.
Easy? Okay.
Hi, my name is Maria. I'm a mathematician, and today I'm going to show you how to add polynomials with exponents outside of the parentheses. So if I have a polynomial with 4x squared minus 2x squared plus 3x, I will square that as well. Okay, when there is an exponent outside of the parentheses, that means that I have to raise everything inside of the parentheses to that exponent. So the base for this exponent right here is this entire parentheses 4x. So I'm going to have to raise both the 4 to the second power and the x to the second power. So this becomes 16x squared. I'm going to break down my minus 2x squared because there's no parentheses there. And I'm going to do the same thing with this last term. 3x squared, because there's parentheses, the 2 is applied to everything inside of the parentheses. So this becomes 3 squared, which is 9, and x squared, which is x squared. Now, I have a polynomial, which are like terms, so I'm going to combine them. These all have x squared, and the same variable, same exponent. So I'm able to just combine the coefficients and then leave the x squared alone. So I have 16 minus 2, which is 14, and then I have 14 plus 9, which is 23. So I combine the coefficients to get 23, and I leave x squared alone. So that's all going to simplify down to 23x squared. My name is Maria, and I'm going to show you how to add polynomials with exponents outside of the parentheses.
Okay, now, since you watched videos and we showed you how to do this, I would like for you to copy these problems down and be able to work them out. And they say 7x squared minus 3 plus 4x squared plus 6. Number 2 is 3x minus 4y plus 2x plus 7y. And number 3 is 5b squared plus 2b plus 3b squared minus 7. And remember that you have to combine the like terms with each other. If they don't have a variable beside them, you just add the numbers. So obviously 7x squared will go with 4x squared, negative 3 will go with positive 6. For number 2, 3x will go with 2x, and negative 4y will go with 7y. And for number 3, 5b squared will go with 3b squared, and 2b will go with negatives. No, it won't, because remember that these are two different types of terms. And that has a variable, so that will be by itself, and negative will be by itself as well. So you all did. And it is 11x squared plus 3 for number 1. Number 2 is 5x plus 3y. And number 3 is 8b squared plus 2b minus 7. Next week, we'll be going over subtracting polynomials. So make sure that you go over this weekend, and I'll see you Monday.
Go.